it?
Dirty.
Dirty? Okay, I'll put it in the sink.
We don't have to crack
I'll put it down, put it down.
But we don't want to eat it now. Use this sponge and soap to wash this. Okay, now dirty. I need to be careful. Not too good. Now it's time to prepare water and salt. Put the salt into the pot. Pour the water into the pot. Do I see it? It's time for Mommy to boil the water. Don't forget the glass bottle.
Oh.
Now the salted water is ready. Put the egg in the butter.
Yes, good. Yeah, good job.
Put the water back into the bottle. And see the eggs sunken under the water. Put the lid on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We will read this for 1 week. It's 7 days now. We will check a salted egg. Oh, I see ice. This salted egg and this egg, they are different. We'll fry the eggs and we will taste it. The fried eggs is ready to taste. I'm going to take that. Taste the egg. And
Try the blue one first. Yeah, try the blue one first. Now switch.
Yeah, this one is yummier than this.
How about you? Which one is yummier?
This.